Okay, punta muna tayo ng Walmart with Angel bago tayo pumunta ng Home Goods. This is Angel. Angel. So Walmart muna tayo.
Okay,
Angel.
we only need to buy chicken, Daddy.
Chicken. Angel, only chicken, okay? Okay, tara sa Walmart. Yan. Kalimutan ko. Ito yung ceiling gusto ko nun. Pero mahal na, nagmahal masyado. Dati sa Food for Less ko binibili ito eh. Masyadong nagmahal na. Sarap niyan. Oh, mahal din ang sili oh. Konti pa. Ha? Wala. Patatas lahat eh. Okay, may mga chicken pa sila dito. Parang masarap yung ano nila oh. Chicken. Ngayon oh. Oh, mahal siya.
Yan yung no, 8-piece chicken.
Mas mahal siya kaysa ano?
I tried it.
Kaya nga.
Tingnan mo kung meron ba siyang 8-piece
Yeah, last na yan.
chicken.
Yeah. Can we have that one, please?
Good. Are we getting the chicken? Yes. Why? We're making
Get yours, you know. I want this one. Hi, can I have this one? Sorry. So, is that the last one?
What? Of the chicken?
Yeah.
Down there isn't like a tray. They have an 8-piece. There isn't any down there.
I don't check it, but I just get this one. Just make.
You just want to get that one because we have a over there in the front. There's
Oh, let me check.
pieces. For I think there it's $9, and you get like 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 wings.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, thanks. Check natin dito. Ubos na. Wala naman na. Wala na. Wala na. It's gone. Thank you.
It's that one.
Thank you, man.
Okay.
Alright, thanks. Ito na yung last one. Yan na. Inabot na lang sa akin. Oo. Inabot na lang sa akin niya to. Kasi alam niyo.
Bakit
Ha?
inabot?
O kasi wala na to eh. Nakita niyang naghahanap ako, wala na.
Ano yung paggawa lang yan?
Binaks niya. Yan, special. Are you looking, Joe?
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk?
See it?
Di ba sa Filipino store lang yan? Pineapple siya.
But just buy one or two.
Wala. Ito.
Sa may Asia.
Shell, coco. Coco oil.
That dog.
Coconut flour. Coconut.
Yeah, it looks like sensitive. Because when I'm watching, I think, yeah, they are international food.
$1. Cute din to. May pancit canton na rin sila, oh. Jel, meron silang pancit canton, no? Oh. Sabi mga to pancit canton na. Meron na rin dito. Pang international na rin ng pancit canton, ha. Sa Walmart, pancit canton, no? 64 cents. Saan ka pa? Garot. Ako lulutuin ni Angel. Baldak.
Daddy like ring voice.
No, alam ko galit na yun eh.
Ano? No chocolate powder here.
Saan? Chocolate powder?
This view could be interrupted by RSV, respiratory syncytial virus,
Chocolate powder, tingin nga ako.
including those
Chocolate powder.
like asthma, CHF, or COPD. Talk to your doctor about RSV vaccination today. Sponsored by GSK.
Wala. Wala ayun dyan. Yan pala powder, oh.
Parang di ba sayang?
Okay. Pero kailangan ko ng asukal.
Ha? No, sige, kunin natin yung hindi, yung may sugar na. Ito na lang.
Sige. Pwede ba sa ano yan? Golden?
Yeah. Kaya lang tutunawin mo muna ng konti ng mal.
Yung milk ni Roy na inubos ko.
Ito yan.
Okay. Ako tumira yung inumin ni Burnok eh. Wala yung milk niya. Ayun. Mahal pala nito. Tatlo. Yan. Ito yung inubos ko na chocolate ni Roy. Kaya bayaran natin. Sabi ko tinatanong ko tatlo. Kasi ako umubos eh.
Tatlo na ubos.
Oo.
Oh, dalawa lang.
Hindi sa akin yung isa.
Oo, tig-isa lang kayo. Meron pa ng isa.
Ayaw, balik daw yung isa. Hindi nakalusot. Ano ba yun? Yan, balik natin. Okay. Dalawa na lang. Sarap kasi nito eh.
Daddy, wala bang chicken doon? May
Saan?
yung rotisserie.
Meron isang piraso.
Okay, can you check?
Ayun ko. Ay, kukunin daw natin yung chicken para sa aso. Meron pang chicken. Ano ba, pakain natin sa ano daw, sa doggies. Ba't parang basa? Ayoko niya. Meron pa palang tatlo.
Ha?
Tatlo pa. For the dogs.
Daddy, meron pa naman dun eh.
Ewan ko nga. Baka nilagay lang niya kasi nawala na kanina.
Items are like, this is 15 items. Is it available?
Yeah, I think so.
Which one is open?
Just these 4, but it's not available right now.
What are you gonna do, Angel?
What you gonna do?
What?
Do you know that this is...
Where's the eyeglass here?
What eyeglass?
Yung
Here.
ano, hindi yung may camera.
This one. Smile.
Alright, give it to me.
Yeah, do you know this is chicken?
Can I borrow it? Na lang.
No, I'm using it.
Oh, hindi mo naman ginagamit eh.
Yes.
Peram. Saan yung ano mo, yung gadget mo? Oh, dapat ako gumagamit nun, Jen. You're not using it.
Angel, don't use any ano ha. Don't use any plastic. This is the plastic. Jen. Daddy, kaya ka naman ng ano, loto.
Yeah, Barya. Yeah.
No, stop waving at Mariana. So bad. You could have used all those $20 for something. You could have invested that in.
Do you wanna own a condo in the Philippines? Para may magamit ka pagkapunta ka ng Boracay.
Okay, what do we do? I don't think it's there. That's better than the Trader Joe's. Wait, which one?
Next customer number 3.
Do you want to lease this space? Luto tayo ng lechon. You know? Lechon inside Walmart. Ay, wala na yung ano? Ay, Vision pa. Nandun pala sila. Ano yan dati?
Oh, I think it texted you. Why you do that? I do that. I don't have phone.
It's okay. Where's the receipt? Print. You can print it.
Are you able to
reprint? They're gonna check.
Are you able to, you know, she put it on my text, but I don't have my phone. I left it in the car. Do you know the last instruction?
You have a salad? That's this one.
Is it the one? Thank you. You don't look. You just like.
No, I just said, oh, put your number in. And okay, but I didn't give you numbers.
Oh. Yeah, right? Right? Yes, I've been charging that one. You missed it, lady. You missed it.
You're missing. Yeah, you get on your phone.
No, I don't have battery.
Hi. Thank you.